Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sandra here for those of you who are new. So today's video, as you guys saw by the title, I'm going to teach you how to make a really cheap bead garland. I know these can be super duper expensive, buying from like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, even Target and Walmart. Oh my gosh, they can be ridiculously expensive, and I know there's a lot of videos on here where you can go watch and them show you how to make a bead garland, but this only costed me less than $5. So it was like $4 to make this, and I still have a bunch of beads left over and other everyday supplies that you keep in your house. So if you want to see how I made this bead garland, just keep watching. First things first, we're going to take some wooden beads. You could get these from the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 for the pack, or you could order some off of Amazon that are unfinished wooden beads. I got these 3 packs that were, I think, almost like $10. So it comes with all these, but these are pre-painted ones, so we're just gonna use these and paint them over so I can show you how they look. So first we're gonna need some wooden beads, some kebab sticks, whatever acrylic paint you're gonna use. This one is from Target. It's only like $1.99. They have shimmer egg, or they have the satin egg, and today we're gonna use the satin one. And you could use these as like for the ends of the garland as well, if you don't want to spend so much money on little tassels for them. So for the tassels, we're gonna use regular twine that I got from the dollar spot. This is floral twine, and it's $1 for 99 feet. Or they also have this kind at the Dollar Tree. So this is cool, and it comes with 3 different colors. Also, we're gonna need some of these brushes, these foam brushes, and or you could use the jute twine, and they have this in the automobile section in the Dollar Tree. So let me get a plate. So we're going to be putting our paint on this plate, and we're going to be getting these beads and putting them in this bowl. And the majority ones that you want to use are the larger ones, and I already have one that's already pre-painted, but as you can see, if you don't go over it a few times, you are going to be able to see the color through the paint. So it takes like 3 or 4 coats. It does not take long to dry. You could do it within a day, so that's really cool. And then you leave it overnight, let it dry, and then you could put it together the next day. You want to use an old basket. This is just from Michael's. I don't care if it gets paint on it. So we're going to go ahead and start putting the beads on here. So I use only the big ones and the medium ones because they fit on here the best. You don't have to put them in any order, specific order, just whatever you can get on here. Just put it through the basket so it sticks. Something just like this. We're gonna do one more. Two rolls. Okay, so we're just gonna be taking the paint and putting it on the disposable plate, so everything is just pretty much throw it in the trash. So as you can see, we're painting these beads. You want to dab, swipe, you know, do different, you know, strokes on them, just so you could try to get every bit of the bead covered. Because as you can see, there is, you know, some pretty dark colors in these beads, but they are going to look perfectly fine once you're done with them. You just got to do a few coats on them, move them up and down, twist them, twist a little kebab stick, whatever you got to do to get in between. And that's why I said do not put so much where you cannot move the beads, because if you do that and they dry, they're going to get stuck together and you're going to have to be breaking them apart when you are putting them on your twine. And you would see that later on in the video, because that's exactly what happened to me. And so pretty much, see, paint, 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 spin, 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 and get them as coated as much as possible. You got this. This project is so easy and kind of so fun, because once you see the finished result, it looks amazing. Like, you're gonna be like, wow, I did that, and only for a few bucks. You're gonna be so proud of yourself. You're gonna want to do more, but longer ones, because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to make a very long one, but not too long. But you get what I'm saying, just gets a little bit bigger. So next we're gonna be making the tassel. So I've seen so many videos of how to make a tassel, and some of them are really confusing. So we're just gonna be wrapping the twine around our hand. I think I did it like 20 something times, and then you just gonna get another piece of it and just tie it on it. So you tie the knot so everything is pretty much tied all together. And see that little nip, you just snip it off, so it's gonna be the same length as the other strings. And you're just gonna tuck it in, so that other little part that you tied on the knot is gonna be in the inside of the tassel. And you're gonna cut all the way through. I was having a hard time because this twine was pretty strong, not gonna lie. And look, see, it's really looking like a tassel. So as I was gonna try to wrap this other piece around it to have that little tassel knot, I realized it was gonna be hard for me to put the twine through the top of the loop. So I ended up doing something to help me. I put a straw right there so it can keep the little hole, and so I can put the string through the tassel and me not have a problem, you know, tying it up. So we just make a little knot, and then we wrap it around. And instead of doing these funny little knots that I had seen, I just get a little bit of the glue gun, snip it, and then I just glue it down. And since it's clear, you're not even going to be able to tell. Nobody's going to be able to see that you just glued it instead of putting a dang knot on there. And as you can see, since we had the straw in there, it was able to keep that hole open. So the string just slid through really, really easy. And I made this probably around like almost 2 feet long. So I just doubled it and cut it. And then it was kind of hard to get the beads through both of the strings like that. So what did I do? You're gonna see what I did, because I was just like, dang, like this is kind of hard. So I went to go grab some tape. Yes, so like just regular old Scotch tape, and we are gonna pretty much tie it or wind it around the end, pretty much like a shoelace. And it's gonna keep the twine together, and it's gonna make it really stiff and easy for it to go through the beads. You're gonna see how easy it is. It's super easy. If you have bigger beads and you need more tape, you could just put it more at the bottom, and then at the end you just pull the tape right off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just go put it. I did not put it in any order. I was just putting on the beads as I saw them, and it was really easy for me to do that. And it looks really nice. I'm telling you, you're gonna be so proud of yourself, because this garland is so easy. See, you can already see how nice it looks with the little tassel at the bottom and with the white beads. It looks very, very pretty. I love it. And pretty much for the tassel, for the ending part, I did the same exact thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. There you have it, guys. I just finished off the end with the same tassel, a little bit smaller. I wanted them 2 different sizes. If you didn't want them the same size, you could always remember how many times you wrapped the twine around your hand so you can have the same exact one. I even added some of the beads that were like broken or chipped just to give like the garland some character. And as you can see, like, it looks so pretty, and you can make it longer to be longer than this, but I just wanted something small so I can put it in a small place. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give this a thumbs up. I try to make it as easy as possible because I know not everybody is crafty Ann or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is my DIY garland on a budget. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more videos. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.